Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's having a good Sunday. The Talladega race is currently under a red flag, so I thought this would be a good time to shoot a quick video. Picked up 3 blaster boxes this afternoon at Target of the 2019 Panini Victory Lane. So we'll open those real quick and see what and who we can pull out of those. There is 1 card per box. So we got 3 quick packs to open. And as you can see at the bottom, it says on average 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box. So hopefully we'll get something good out of these boxes. Kyle Busch is the featured driver this year on the Panini Victory set. So there we go, 3 packs of 2019 Panini Victory Lane. Let's start with the one on the right. It's got a thick card in it, so we know that that is a relic. Not sure which way these cards are facing. So we have David Reagan, who's set to retire at the end of this season. Past winners of the Daytona 500, Jimmie Johnson in 2013. Richard Petty, 200 career wins. Here's our relic coming up and a couple of cards, so we'll move it to the back. We have Kevin Harvick, pedal to the metal insert. Very nice looking card there. Here's the back of that card. Maybe it's not an insert, thought it was an insert. Panini didn't do a good job of putting these cards in very straight. Ryan Newman, pedal to the metal. Last year's champion, Joey Logano, winning the race at Homestead. Danica Patrick with the car that was in her last career Cup Series start. Richard Petty in his last career win, 1984 Firecracker 400 at Daytona. So we have Daniel Hemrick, and who is the relic going to be of? Very nice. We have Daniel Hemrick, let's not forget him. But we have a Martin Truex Jr. quad tire and uniform card. Very nice hit. Let's see if that's numbered on the back. It is not numbered, but that is still a very nice card. Really like that one. Let's go to the second pack. These are the Panini contest cards, I'm sorry. So we have Ross Chastain, current contender in the Truck Series for the title there and driving the number 10 car in the Xfinity Series part-time. We have Casey Kane, past winner. Making sure we had what direction everything was in there. Matt DiBenedetto, who will drive the Wood Brothers car next year. Here he is in Bob Levine's number 95 Toyota. We have the relic coming up. So we have Kurt Busch, pedal to the metal card. Jimmie Johnson, 2006 championship, his first Cup Series champion. Another Jimmy Johnson card, 7-time champion card. Zane Smith, first card I've got of Zane. Driving for Junior Motorsports part-time in the Xfinity Series. Speaking of Junior, here is Junior's win at Michigan in 2008, his first win for Hendrick Motorsports. Got this card before we get to the relic, so let's slide Junior back in line. Obviously we can see the back of this card is Austin Dillon with the 50th anniversary of RCR paint scheme there, very nice. So now we'll look at Junior again and we'll see who the relic is. It is Daniel Hemrick with a dual swatch, very nice. One more pack to go. The retail boxes seem to favor the relics versus the autographs. So let's look at this one. This one also has a relic. You can see that thick card in between there. So we have Darrell Waltrip, his final career win, 1992 Southern 500. Chase Elliott, who was the pole sitter for today's race. Bobby Allison, 1972 American 500 at Rockingham. So the relic cards coming up. See, here we got Jimmy Johnson, 2013 Cup Series champion. Anthony Alfredo. Well, here we have Landon Castle. And then we'll go back to Anthony Alfredo, who is a driver in the Truck Series this year. I believe that would be his rookie card. I've not seen one of his cards yet. Past champion, 7-time Series champion, Richard Petty. We have Brad Keselowski. We have one more card before the relic, so we'll just switch around here. See who this is. Denny Hamlin, Horsepower Heroes. Denny started 40th in today's race. And our relic card is going to be of Ty Dillon. Another dual relic, looks like a card and uniform. I do not believe this one is numbered either. So 2019 Victory Lane, some very nice cards. There you see our 3 hits, Ty Dillon, Daniel Hemrick, and the quad relic, Martin Truex Jr. there. And again, we get to 100 subs. Somebody's going to receive this Tony Stewart 1998 VIP rookie card. So please subscribe, like the video, follow me on Twitter @HalleyEmery. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you have a good rest of your Sunday.